Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. This is Mohit Wale. You can see at this moment I am still here my betel leaf field. It's called betel leaf or five betel. So today I have came here because I have to break this betel leaf means harvest. So look, it's called betel leaf and I have broken this fiber betel. Not only me but also my brother-in-law who is coming but right now not come this field who is coming. So I am trying to visit my field because next before 7 days I didn't come any single time my this field. That's why at first of all I would like to visit my field. Everything is good or bad. So this field seem to be all everything is right, but have some tasks like many types of this betel leaf. This is many types of betel leaf already broken. I needed to bind this betel leaf, but I didn't have enough time. That's why many types of betel leaves is broken. You can see this this already broken. I needed to bind this betel leaf. So I will bind this betel leaf, and this is betel leaf, and this is brake system. This is I hold it and I am braking right now. It's called braking. I am braking. I'm braking betel leaf, braking and cutting. I can say brake or cutting. So already this is brake complete, and right now I have to say I have broken this fiber weight hole. So I have to manage lots of betel leaf break. After that I have to keep one place. Then it have this have to manage. After that noon time my brother-in-law who carry and who will go to shop for sell this betel leaf. This time noon times means at 1 or 2 p.m. So no more today, inshallah next day I will share with you another topic that's all about video topic.